How to fix Instagram music story on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open settings, scroll all the way down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and here type Instagram. This one for Android phones, then click Instagram. And now go to data usage. Make sure all of those are enabled. Don't forget background data. Maybe you'll find it like that. Then allow it. And also mobile data. And now go to storage, clear cache, and then force stop and go back, try again, and your problem will be fixed. And if you have an iPhone, just restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage, select Instagram and click offload. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.